Okay guys, so here is an update. Okay, this is the living room in the foyer. I don't know if you guys remember what it looked like before, but you can always reference back to the video from day 3 if you don't remember what it looked like. We are not done. Floors should be put in this week. We're almost done painting inside. So there's the living room. We got the new ceiling fans up. This over here is the hallway. Got a closet. We're still working on that one. And let's see. There is a light switch for this somewhere. Oh, here we go. I found it. Yeah, we put new light fixtures up. And I don't know if you remember, this was the room that was purple. We're still painting this. Purple's kind of bleeding through a little bit. The white is not bold enough. We're gonna put a few more coats of that on. See if we can get the white down. Layla wants all white because she's gonna put a mural on one of the walls. Her own artwork. This was the bathroom with the messed up toilet. Messed up tub and the toilet. So we still have to install the tub. It's in the other room. We cut this wall back some. We cut it back. It came all the way out. You can kind of see on the floor where it left off, like right here where that board splits. But we put the new bathtub in, and over here is the other bedroom. And if you remember from day 3, this actually had another door in it. So we've closed that up, painted this room. We do have to go back in and, tighten up the paint a little bit, touch it up, but it's mostly done. And he's gonna work in these closets, build some shelves. We have to put some racks up. Let's see. It also has a new ceiling fan. The ones that were in here were, they had those little they have the drop string to them, or whatever you call them. Alright, so you go in here and this takes you to the dining room. If you remember, the dining room and the kitchen was totally separate. It's not going to stay gray. That's just the primer we're going to color it the same color as the rest of the house. But if you remember, the dining room had, there was an island here. There were cabinets all along the walls and over here. So we took all that out. There also was a window here and a door here. So those were closed up. And we put new ceiling fan. We have another one. But we're going to put the matching ceiling fan. So we have to put another one there. Forgot why it's not up yet. I think there's some issue with the wiring. There's no light in this hallway, which I don't know why. I'd like to see about getting one. But this bathroom has finally come a long way. The shower's installed. We're gonna put the toilet in there. And we gotta put the vanity in, finish painting. You come down here. And this is the master bedroom. So we are so close to being done in here. So we just got done finishing the painting the trim in here today. We got the new ceiling fans up. That's our hot water heater. That's actually going in the closet. That's in the dining room. We moved the location of it so that way we didn't have to use 2 for the upstairs apartment. And the office, that's another situation where the brown panel board is actually bleeding through on the white paint here, and I'm hopeful that if we put a few coats of the white it won't do that anymore. I didn't want to have to drywall this whole place right now. I figured that could be a project for later. I just want to move in. Just want to move in. Okay, so there's that, and then there's still one more bedroom in the main house to show you. Let's see. Well, this is the utility room. If you guys remember this, there used to be a table over here built into the wall. That was removed. And then that is the area for the washer and dryer. Okay, we're gonna remove this, whatever that is. And then this is the girls' bedroom. It's purple and pink. We just finished up painting the trim in here. So this one's almost done too. We gotta pull the blue strip, but I think we need another coat of the purple. That was just a first go round. There's Sophia, hi.
Hi.
All right, and then this was our storage room. We put our fridge in here so we'd have to keep ice with coolers and ice. Go through here. I don't know if you guys remember the deck that was on the back patio or in the front. Those are gone now. We've demolished those. We've cleared most of the property. And let's see. Hopefully I won't trip on anything over here. But we do have to rebuild the staircase. Oh, you know what? You're not going to be able to see upstairs because it's too dark and I don't have a light. Do you have a light? All right, come on. Let's go check it out. Okay. Be careful. There we go. That's better.
You can bring it up there.
Okay.
You can do it all you want.
Oh, thank you.
I let people use it.
You do? Okay.
But not touch me because I don't trust
Okay. All right, so upstairs, we haven't done a whole lot. They did come up here and grind the floors in preparation of, for the flooring to be put in. So we're gonna come up here and paint next. There's not a whole lot to paint. Basically, it's just tightening up some of the trim and stuff. But this room here is getting painted a different color. And this is stuff for the bathroom here. And there's a door to put on. But we got the shower installed in here now. Bathtub and shower. So Joe's got to come in here. Since the plumbing was inspection passed, he can go ahead and close up these walls here. But we do have to let the electrician do his job. He is, he hasn't been consistent with coming through for us. So we were going to do a kitchen in here, which is what it was mainly developed for, but I think we're going to go ahead and just turn this into a bedroom for now, so that one, we'll have less to buy for the house, and two, the boys can all have their own bedroom. But that is it. That's the grand tour. That's our lovely dumpster out there. It has been eating all of our trash. I don't think if you can see it. You can't, but there it is. Yeah, there it is. There's our dumpster. So much stuff. This is our second dumpster. We've completely ripped out this whole house, so it's been a long road, and we have still a lot to go. This whole roof has to be taken off and redone, so we still have a lot to do, but just keep praying for us, guys. I appreciate it. Bye.